I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio with database tools and a reachable SQL server. Open Visual Studio and choose Create a New Project or Open Server Explorer. This immediately begins the connection flow. Next, add a new data connection in Server Explorer. Select Microsoft SQL Server, then enter server name and authentication. Once done, test the connection. This verifies credentials and network. If it fails, make sure TCP/IP is enabled, and Firewall allows the SQL port before continuing. You now refine the connection. In the Data Connection dialog, choose Authentication Mode, Windows for Integrated Security, SQL for explicit credentials. Pick what matches your environment. Then select the target database or attach an MDF if needed. Click Advanced to adjust connection timeout, encrypt, trust server certificate, and application name so your app behaves predictably. Once configured, save the connection to Server Explorer and copy the generated connection string into your project's configuration, such as app settings. JSON, you finish by validating end-to-end access. Run a quick select in Server Explorer or execute a test query from your app using the saved connection string. If queries fail, systematically troubleshoot. Confirm server name plus instance, ensure SQL browser is running for named instances, verify TCP/IP and firewall rules, and make sure remote connections are allowed. For persistent issues, inspect SQL Server logs and Visual Studio output for specific errors. Change or reset credentials if authentication problems persist before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.